Hello, good morning, and welcome on this stream. Today we will be trading gold on the SES session. So let's see how what kind of price action is unfolded in this session. Well, for right now we are under expansion, and we want to see an liquidity swipe for an for buys to play out. We want to go long, and I will just come in 5 minutes. Give me some time, please. I will come just now. Let the market swipe off the liquidity. So let's start today's session. We are looking for sells or buys. We are looking for longs. We are not looking for sells. We are looking for longs, and that's what we are expecting the market to do. We are expecting the market to respect the bias of today, that is bullish, and we will be long today. So let's start. And by the way, good morning to everyone in Asia, and good evening to everyone in Western countries. Let's look at Nasdaq till then. Nasdaq gave a beautiful. Let's mark today's opening and closing first. The new opening of the March 9, I think it doesn't have any kind of significance anymore. So let's delete this. New week opening low March 9, delete, and new week March 9th, new week opening high. Where is that? Okay, it's low. Where is the high? March 16th high. Where is it? Let's look at its origin. then we will be able to find it. Locality for we will use this. Then let's gold has done something. Well, the gold has swiped out at least this liquidity, and we are looking for a structure shift right here. But I want the gold to swipe out this liquidity first, so we can be assured that the market is no longer uh, bearish or no longer on the bearish side for the day. The market is on the bullish side for the day, so we want to see a structure swipe here. Then we will look for longs, or if we have already one swipe of liquidity here, and then we can look for longs. There are a lot of liquidities here. This is a liquidity. At least market should swipe one of them before continuing higher. So let's just wait and see how it plays out. Let's look at gold. Sorry, NAS 100. Till then, I think NAS 100 will go to higher as well. It is coming back down to this inversion fair value gap, and we might take a trade long in here. We also have today's opening, that is uh, here to here. We should delete this. What is this yesterday's? We can't delete this one. It is getting messy right now. The chart. Is this a short in gold? Like, is there any liquidity swipe above? No, there is no liquidity swipe above the marketplace. Let's look at the dollar index. The dollar index fell down today before the market closed. That's what gave the gold a rise. Right now, the dollar index is trying to recover itself. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the chat. Light action, just come down gold. We didn't swipe out this liquidity, did we? Yeah, we swiped out this liquidity. We had our thunder fair value gap. We had an entry. Let's mark this as thunder FVG. There was an entry here. Stop loss all the way down below the previous candle and aim at 1 is to 5. This should have been our trade. Now we are looking for a liquidity swipe and a thunder structure shift. Let's look at Nasdaq 100. That if we had retraced to, no, we didn't retrace to inversion fair value gap. I would look for higher prices now. I say here yesterday I was saying that if we get a body candle close below the first presented fair value gap, I would sort the market, and the market did react, but it went up after that. So this sort would have been neglected. The gold is going up again. Let's see if we have a TSS small thunder structure shift. This is a minor setup, not a good one at all. We had a small liquidity swipe, very small liquidity swipe, and this liquidity swipe is like negligible compared to the others. If we get a body candle close of the TSS, we will take a trade long with 1 is to 5 risk to reward ratio. And let's mark the SL low of the day. This is ACL low. So we have our thunder structure shift. And we want to see, and we want to look for an entry long here. We will put our SL here and SL at the way here. Go for long. We went a little bit higher than the expected price, but it's okay. The market can come for short as well. If the market comes below this TSS, then we will look for sorting the market as well. But for right now, we are have long the market. We have entered at the top of this candle, stop loss below this previous candle's low, and we will target for 1 is to 5 from here. It becomes 1 is to 4. The market might come to at yes at Friday's opening price, that is 46.49. 46.18 is the price for the day. 46.18. Let's do $50. And let's see if we get to there. This looks like more of a liquidity swipe than a thunder structure shift. But it is the time of expansion and the market is bullish. That's why I took this trade. And there was a minor sell side liquidity swipe and a good TSS as well. So we have long the market, and now we are waiting for the market to give us the momentum and the trade that we want. We could aim for uh, in March 20s opening price, but we will stick to our own is to 5 restored order ratio of the model. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the chat. But for now, like the stream and subscribe to the channel. We want to see a quick expansion to the upside, and our thunder fair value gap has been respected till now. Let's see how the market reacts here. Let's look at US 100. Okay, so the market did come down and is now going up. It totally swiped out the liquid. I mean the SL would have been here. It took out the SL, but if the SL was here, the stop loss would have been saved. The market is now going to new week opening 16's new week opening high. How much handles is this? For the SCSS, and this is a very big volatility. Let's look at dollar index. The dollar index is going down right now. We don't have any kind of breakers or inversions right here, but the dollar index might go down. We do have this sell side liquidity. Looking at 15 minutes time frame, we have this liquidity and this liquidity as well. Now coming back to gold, I think the this high could be swept today as well. That is March 20th Asia and London high can be swiped as well. But we will stick to our own is to 5 raised to reward ratio. If you have any questions, then please feel free to ask me in the chats. We have reached 0.5% to gain 2.5%, and right now we are in greens. Hi. Now waiting for a quick upside expansion moves of the CS session. Maybe it's an entry US 100 for longs. This was our trade right from here. Stop loss would have been here at the low of the candle, and our exit would have been at the here. This could have given us 0.5 risking about 3% in profits, but we didn't take this trade. We are in gold longs. We have longed the gold. Always long the gold. I'm expecting a quick price run above the market here. If we get one or two more green candles, then I'm expecting a big price move to the higher side. Let's plan our uh, partial at 1 is to 3. Risk to reward. Here we will take our partial. Let's say at 1 is to 3. Now I'm expecting a big candle of green size. Let's look at my Discord till then. as I was saying, I was expecting a good big candle. Then this is there it is. We are targeting or we are looking for like 750 move, 15 pips move. So it will take time to get to that level. We are out of. Let's change the timing. We will be in macro time frame in just 10 minutes. That is 10 8:50 to 9:10 macro. Mm. You might think the market is reversing here, but not. The market is not reversing here. Market is just giving a retracement before going higher. Let's look at go US 100 and let's see if it is going to the target we had anticipated. The US 100 is very well going to the target that it has anticipated right up above the new week opening March. US 500 and US 30 is going higher as well. US oil was going lower. Now it is trying to recover. The dollar index is going down, so the gold should go up. The gold is going up higher now. The hour timing for SES session is like from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. So just stay in the trade and look, we are going in long in gold and we don't have anything else to say. The market will not reverse. We are assured of that, and we are already at 1 is to 1. This is our partial level, and I will return in just 5 minutes. Well, I have returned. And let's see the trade. Let's see what we have here at the left side. We just cleared this liquidity. Let's mark these liquidities out. I think we cleared this liquidity just now. Then we have all these liquidities in the market as well. What are So here is the liquidity level. We are aiming for if we get a market structure shift, then we might rethink of taking our SL to BE, but we didn't get a market structure shift, did we? Nah, we didn't. We are still looking for higher prices in the gold. Let's look at Nasdaq and see what we can trade here. The market seems to be reversing here, but it is going under engineer of liquidity, engineering of liquidity. We have created a breaker and a short and an inversion fair value gap to the downside in the gold. And looking at Dixie, we don't have any kind of bullish momentum, so we can be rest assured that the market will not go down. We might look for this fair value gap in the dollar index to see if it is going down or not. If the market reverses from here and goes to take out these liquidities, then the gold will surely rise up. We had this an impulse entry here. The entry should have been here somewhere, but we took an impulse entry from here. That was one mistake of ours. As I had said, this breaker and inversion will want to be respected at all. This is just a fake out move. This downside move. This one is just a fake out and is a part of eh, liquidity engineering. the market seems to be rejecting from the inversion fair value gap of the day. That is this one, but it will surely rise up again. Because come on, it's the time of expansion. The market will not going down. It's not going down. If the market had to go down, it would have cleared this liquidity here. This liquidity has been should have been cleared here, and then it should have went for market structure shift, or in my case, thunder structure shift, and then the market would have gone till the opening price of the day, or just maybe above that. Right now, the market is bullish, and the whole bias is bullish. The market will go till the 20th March opening price, that is 46.49. We are not at over risk, so we are not in any kind of danger. We are cool with our risk and risk management under control. We are still looking for gold to go up. It can come down and touch the thunder share value gap again, but it will go up. We are trading wealth or a funded account 50-25% off with code SachinM and 50% off with code 50 off. The link is in the description. The gold tried to rise up, then it went come down. Is there a news today? Let's look at forexfactory.com. Let's read this one. It is of no use to us anymore. neither this one is of any use. There is no news today. It is 24. Let's look 25. We have a news at 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 8 a.m., 8:30, 9. We had a Chinese news at 9 a.m. Maybe that is why it gave this impulse move, and there is nothing more than that. The market is struggling to keep the one-sided pace. The market cleared the liquidities both from upside and downside. The market pace, and the now market is moving to the upside in our direction. We haven't traced our SL because our risk is under control. Now we have touched our 100 FVG again, and I want the prices to move higher from here. Now that a proper touch has been done, and the marketplace would be going higher right now. And now the market should go higher. That the 100 FVG has been touched now. We can expect the prices to move up in one direction. Now let's see if it takes our SL out. We are ready for both the scenarios because our risk is in control. गेटो लगा था. Now we have a proper mitigation of thunder fair value gap. I want to see the prices go higher. From here, I don't want to see any kind of body candle closes inside of the thunder fair value gap at all. Okay, I'll be back in 5 minutes. Just have some patience and look at the market. The market will surely go up. It is not coming down at all. As I had said, the market is going up. Let's take a screenshot and share it with my community. So we are currently seeing an expansion above right now. The market will expand till we also have this liquidity swipe as well. So there is a possibility of sell as well. कुछ ही कर रहा है लेकिन। Let's remove this inversion fair value gap because it has failed already. The next inversion fair value gap is this one, that is minus IFBG. This is minus inversion fair value gap, and now we are looking for the prices to go higher. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the stream, and I will be glad to and happy to answer them. So we are at 1 is to 1 right now. We are going to take our parcel at 1 is to 3, and rest assured till then. Let the train take off. Or I say let the flight take off to our destination. You want to purchase Woolweb's account? Let me see. FXAN offers. Bullwaves Prime is 170. What is the cost of Bullwaves Prime 100k account? There is no Bullwaves Prime anymore. Sorry, but the Bullwaves Prime is over. Oh yes, there it is, $119. Let's see if the payment method is available. Yeah, the payment method is still not available. Will the FXN is gone? They have they have paused their operations completely, and I don't know when will they come back. And I'm afraid of myself. What is this? Short movie clips in Hindi. How to mark under FBG? Well, I can't tell you that the Thunder FBG is an exclusive concept of mine, and I have created it, so I am not sharing it to anyone, not for free. I can tell you about Horizon Fair Value Gap, but Thunder Fair Value Gap is completely my creation, and I don't want to share it with anyone right now. Not before I make a name for it, so that no one can steal my creation from me. I hope you can understand. So we have cleared the first liquidity in our way. Now we have two more liquidities to clear. Well, hit that like button of the stream and subscribe to the channel. The first liquidity has been swiped. The market retraced back to the minus inversion fair value gap, and now it might get went up again. It might go up again, and we are just waiting, and we will wait for the market to give us and like partial level. At least 1:2 is required for the partial. Let's mark our risk to reward. Fib. So here is our 1:2. If you have any other questions, You can ask me, and I will be very, very happy to answer. But that 100 FVG, I can't share it, man. No, never. I will never share it before I make a name out of it, because I have made this 100 fair value of model, and I want a name out of it. So I can't share it with you. Not before I get like 50K of subscribers, or at least 20K subscribers at all. Now we just wait for the market to give us our exit, either at the top or the below of the marketplace. I want to look at my Gmail. What has come? I think I'm going to be a very good entertainer at very well. Let the webcam start. The affection is totally fine and totally works. The market is going in our direction. We will surely end and nearly reach 1 is to 2 or I think it will take time. I think it will take time for the market to take us to the TP. Currently, now there is a lot of volatility in the market. Now we are looking at our Gmail. We are Alpha Capital. What? Just join the live session and ask any questions and I will answer. We are about to clear this liquidity which has been cleared already, and we are about to take 1 is to 2 RR. We are already 1% up right now, 1.22% up. Mm, let's talk about FXN. Well, they had approached me in last year, like it was in May or April. They had approached me for an affiliate partnership. They offered me 20% commissions and 10% discount for my audience. I promoted them. I managed their Discord. I became an admin of their Discord. I created a lot of channels, made kind of build trust in them. Right now, people think that FXN is my server, but it is not. And now they are gone. They haven't paid me, and they have blocked me on my on WhatsApp as well. I don't know when they will come back, but they will surely come back as their FPR team said they are operational. And I have about more than 500 euros in commissions with them. They had a target of reaching like 3,000 in growing the audience, and I think I have reached that milestone. we are under in liquidity engineering, and the market will go up for sure because it is ascending triangle kind of engineering of liquidity. Engineering of liquidity. Wow. So this, that, this, and that. Oh. We will stay in the stream till the end of the trade. And I hope this trade ends in within an hour. Do we take partial at 1 is to 1? Nah, we will take partial at 1 is to 2. Sorry, 1 is to 3. Minimum 1 is to 3 or 1 is to 4. We are at 1 is to 1 right now. A strong bullish candle. Let's see if it breaks above this consolidation. Nah, it did not break above this consolidation. So we are out of the consolidation. So we should move, expect higher big price moves right now. And I will take my partial at 1 is to 3, that is here at partial level. This is 1 is to 2 level, and I don't want to take out any kind of partials here. I'm feeling a little sleepy right now because it's morning. like 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning in India. Should I play lofi music? Let me play lofi music. It should calm down us a little bit. I hope you can hear the music. And I am audible as well. I hope the music and I are both are audible as well. This should be enough for both us to. I think this should be enough for you to listen to my voice and add the music both at the same time. So we are nearly at 1 is to 2 RR, and I might take a partial, but I will wait for 1 is to 3 RR to take a partial because the market is in our favor right now. I like this music. We didn't have any kind of big moves till now, and we are still waiting for a big candle that will be used as the partial. moving higher, heights. We had told you that there will be an high move in pulse move higher, and we are going higher. If you don't have any questions, then there's no meaning of me streaming live every day. Hi. I will take the partial at 1 is to 3. The partial level is marked as well. We are not coming down, we are going higher, and that is the unfortunate truth that we will all have to accept. The market will go higher, and if you're sorting the gold right now, you are missing the big move. I will go break even here. It's going to shift right now, and we could take a partial here, but the partial level is 1 is to 3 that we have defined already, and we are not taking any partial out of fear. Hi. We are strategic with our positions, and we would like to stay strategic. We are about to hit the 1 is to 3 RR ratio. So once we hit the 1 is to 3 RR ratio, we will take out the 50% or 25% of our profits off. We have entered with 0.04 lots, so I might get out with 0.01 lot if once we get to 200 dollars in profit. We are currently at 137 now, $130 in profit. We are seeing some signs of reversal here, but we shouldn't be afraid of that as well. If there is a market structure shift, then we will take the partial. I'm feeling totally sleepy right now, like my eyes are closing on itself. That is how much boring this trading is, and I think I should take a partial. Or is there any market structure shift? Let's look at this candle and see if there is a body candle closer. Yes, there is a body candle closer, and there is a market structure shift. Now there is a no body candle closer below the market place. So we will wait for the market to give a body, either give a body candle close or go above. The market is going down again. And the price is trying to recover to the bullish side. Let's see if this candle closes bullish or not. Such a boring stuff is this trading. I am just feeling sleepy, and I am getting a lot of sleeps. Well, this is 24th of March 2026. Well, the market will reach our partial level very soon. We are at $144 profits. That is nearly at 2% up today. If we hit total profit, we will hit 2.5% up, and 0 point something was yesterday's profit. 0.3% was yesterday's profit. In total, we will be up at 2% for sure if we hit the take profit. I'm feeling totally sleepy, and with this move, the gold is not letting me sleep. We are at about to get our partial off. we need about 600 pips more, sorry, 60 and 65 pips more to take the partial, and about 370 pips more to take that full profit out of the marketplace. Uh, we are at 45.96. We will be at 45 600 a psychological level very soon. I want to take a partial at over $200. And I am not any kind of insecure or anything like in doubt about my position, because it is a serious session and it is the time of expansion, and the market is expanding in the right direction. It is upside, and we are waiting for the partial level. We will. So we are in macro time frame again. We are in 9:50 to 10:10 macro AM session. Sorry, PM session according to Eastern timing.